Stephanie with WTI here, and if you're looking for an eyebrow set, LAVONE's is amazing, let me tell you.
So you see this set really has everything you need. It has the pomade with the matching brush that goes with that. It has an eyebrow pencil that is a nice shape, and then it also has a brush on the other side of that. And they even threw in an eyeliner, which is really cool. And that eyeliner is nice because it also is great for cat eyes or whatever else shape that you need to use for your eyeliner. And as you see, I don't know if it was the early 2000s or just genetics, but I don't really have eyebrows. So I really need to use these kind of things. And I'm not a makeup artist, y'all, but I feel like this set made it very intuitive to use. So I just kind of outlined the shape using the pencil, and then I filled it in with the pomade stuff, and that makes it look less just drawn on, I guess. And then after, I just give it a little brush, and I think it looks okay. And then the eyeliner, same thing. I'm not a makeup artist, y'all, but I feel like this eyeliner was pretty easy to use. I like that it doesn't smear. It actually goes on really easily, and you can even do a little bit of a cat eye if that's your thing. And then you can also use it for the bottom of your eyes too, and I think it looks pretty good.
So if you need a really economically priced eyebrow set, go ahead and try out LAVONE's, but that's just my point of view.